Hello, welcome to Fixalt Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can install Microsoft Office in your Windows and activate it permanently free very easily. You can access all the apps of Microsoft Office and features. So let's start it. Step 1. At first, we need to download some necessary files before the installation. For this, go to your browser and search Office Deployment Tool. Now click on first link. Here select English and click on download button. As you know, our downloading have done. Now we download another file. For this, open a new tab and search Office Customization Tool. Now click on first link. Here first, select the product that you want to install. You can choose any product as you wish. But I select Office LTSC Professional plus 2024 volume license. And remain all the other fields blank. You can choose any app as you want. And click Next. Now select language as you want. Now scroll down and here click Next. 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 Now click Finish. Now export it. Choose Keep Current Settings and click OK. Now check the box and you can rename the file as you want. Now export it. As you can see, our files are ready, so we create a folder with name Office 2024 and move the files in it. Step 2. Now the folder for Office files, cut and paste into C drive. Now open it and run Office Deployment Tool Setup. Check the box and continue. Here, select the folder in which files are placed in C drive. As the files extracted successfully, so click OK. Step 3. Open a command prompt and run as administrator. Here firstly type a command for the selection of path. Copy and paste it. And press Enter key. Now copy the second command and paste it. As in command, we type the folder name and file name configuration. And press Enter key. Now, Office installation has started, so wait until the installation is completed. You can ensure that your internet connection is strong. As you can see, the Microsoft Office is successfully installed. Step 4. Now, in last step, we activate Microsoft Office permanently. If you open it, then you can see that after installation, the Office is not activated yet. For this, search PowerShell and run as administrator. Here, type a command for the activation. And press Enter key. As you can see, the activation option is at second number, so at downside type 2. Now type 1. After it, activation process is started, so keep patience until it completed. Now, as you can see, the Office is permanently activated. Now open the Word. Here, accept it. Now you can see the Office is successfully activated. So in this way, you can easily install Microsoft Office and activate it free. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Share and like this video. Goodbye.